kis ki bathamai menta kasni ki long san pulai nagini ki san pulai hapo east kasil sinyo khat ar iwei de na po armed forces but khatwei na kiwei ribhoi ar iwei na armed forces but iwei na kiwei West Garo Hills live khandai arp khandai gide na po BSF but ho gide na kiwei active case ibangidan hadu menta hilat poi hadu ndreus pa khatwei nagini ndreus pa khatwei south pa arfufra gide hapo east kasils but nagini south pa arfufra khandai fuwei gide na po BSF ndreuf khandai na po armed forces but kiwei arpa ndreuf fufra West Kasils ndreu ribhoi Praksan West Jaintia Hills Khatsan East Jaintia Hills ndreu West Garo Hills ndreu fusan Southwest Garo Hills are South Garo Hills are North Garo Hills are kibala recover mentak si kilong prang na East Kasils live badai kiwei but West Garo Hills sun iwei na BSF but south day na kiwei na East Kasils niyong khat ar from East Kasils we have told 12 na kini khat ar iwei ide attendant jong iwei patient hapo civil hospital Shillong iwei ide attendant hapo Negrams ar ide staff nurses hapo Negrams iwei ide tourist taxi driver saw ide returnees iwei na po armed forces but ar ide high risk contact jong iwei ni positive cases na ribhoi iwei ide na po armed forces iwei iba test positive hapo civil hospital nongpo iba ban Pak Sumar hapo ka Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology West Garo Hills arp khandai kide BSF khandai kide returnees iwei di contact but a positive case na po North Garo Hills